10K thermistor. It's a temperature sensor that's used to sense the temperature going across the coil in the air conditioning unit. We're going to be connecting the sensor so as to make it active. First thing we'll need is some small wire cutters, and we'll strip the wire. Of course, the good thing about the 10K thermistor is that they're not polarity sensitive, so wire termination is not a big deal. We'll also have the wire stripped on the sensor side, and then all we need to do is connect them so as to be ready for operation. Once connected, we'll be able to read a signal back at the main controller. And that's it, of course. With a small screwdriver, we'll be able to enclose it, and then we'll be good to go. Basically, we have a few of these sensors that we monitor from the main controller, and that's how we tell what the air conditioner is doing. That's how we control the air conditioner. That's how we really monitor all the air conditioning inside the space. I'm Kelly, and this is HVAC Control Talk. Thanks for joining me.